Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul from TM Tuesday morning. And as you know, Crafter's Companion has been in for like the last week or two, and so they had a ton of them. I did not get any but one, I think, and that's it. And they had more of the Spellbinders Delight dies as well. They also had some more weird memory keeper stuff, such as the scallop goodie bag. If you didn't get it at the Hobby Lobby when they had it on clearance for, I think, $2.50 at Hobby Lobby, they have it for $4.99 at TM in case you're looking for that. Still a good price. And I have the picture with the SKU up on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, and some of the Crafter Companion dies as well, and those SKU numbers in case you're looking for them. I didn't get any, I guess, because they just cost a little bit more. Not that they probably weren't worth it. I just didn't feel like buying any of those dies. But I did put some pictures up in case you're interested. I only got one Crafter's Companion die. Some of them I already had got before, but I'm on making a video.
Hello everybody.
Okay, get out my video. So I did get this, and this is $3.99, and the SKU on this one is 1927633, and this is a die key and heart. And that's the actual size.
Hello.
Okay, you know he on spring break.
Hello.
So I did get this Pebbles, excuse me, the 40-piece ephemera pack, and I thought this was super cute. And this is 1937156 Javier. Adios. So these are some of the ephemera pieces, which are really, really cute. 40 pieces. And so I got pack for me and a pack for someone else. Go ahead and show you, man. Hurry up.
I have to go to jail. Buddy, I'm going to break you up. I got punched in the face.
All right, and then I did get one piece of paper. And the funny thing was about this piece of paper, they had got these. Actually, my Tuesday morning got this maybe about 5 months ago in the 12x12 pads. And I was with one of my buddies that I scrapbook with, Susie, here in the YT, Susie Q. And we were going to crop night, and we ran in, no, we was doing an all-day crop, so actually it had to have been in October. Yeah, so it was out in October. And they had put these out, 3 packs for $5.99 of the 12x12s. And they were all packaged together. And they didn't unpackage them, so of course I was going to like go up there and let me go see. And the guy was going to ring it up. He rang her up, and then he came to me, and he was going to give it to me. And then he said, "Oh, wait a minute, this got to be wrong. Can't be 3 packs of paper for $5.99." I was like, because I sure was going to get it, but I ended up not getting it in. But they had this in the 12x12, and so finally they got it back in the 6x6. So I went on and got it, and it was only $1.99, and this has 48 pages in it. And I got it primarily because if you look at it, these are great for mixed media. See, this is what happened on spring break. Boy. And yeah, so you could do a lot of, I'm gonna do a lot of ripping on these to make some stuff for spring, for I'm gonna say spring break, for
Did I say that?
For mixed media. I don't even know if I showed you this one or not, because he got me distracted. This is the only Crafter's Companion that I got. 1927633.
You did, Ma. You did show
Okay, because you talked to me and I forgot. And I already mentioned to you about the scalloped memory keepers punch. So these are the delights that I got. I'm gonna check them and make sure all of them are in there. Hopefully everything's in their packs. Of course, these are all $3.99, and they should all have different numbers. Yes. So the first one is Time Flies. This is a 5-piece set, and as you can see, it's the number is 1936671. The only thing that's going to change is the last 2 digits. So this is 71, and the date of this is May 18. So I guess he's supposed to came out in May, even though this is April. So it's 5-piece set, and it's the S2 205. In case you want to look it up for inspiration, see if you want that set. This one is Industrial 1, and it is a 4-piece set, and the last 2 digits is 85, and it's S2 224. And again, so that's Industrial. This one is Industrial 2. And this one, the last 2 digits is 86. And it's S2 225. So again, this is 86. So this one is Flight 2. And I think I have a bigger version. Just I got to double check. This one, the last 2 digits is 84. So again, everything is the same. It's a 19366. And then the last 2 digits. So this is 84 on that one. And then this one is Flakes and Skates. Flakes and Skates, and this is a 4-piece set, and the last 2 digits is 89, and the Spellbinders number is S2-235 in case you want to Google it for inspiration. And this one is Aristocrat. Hello, what are you doing? And the last 2 digits is 82, and that's the 4-piece set. And then the last one that I got is Some Like It Hot. And this is like a tea set. And this one is a 7-piece set. And the last 2 digits is 77. And it's S2215. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful spring break. And guess what? Check out your TM. They had a whole bunch of other stuff as well. But this is all that I'm hauling today.
Bye-bye.
And thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And, of course, you got those toys from Tuesday morning.
All of them are the things I showed you.
Yeah, he wants you to know he got that from Tuesday morning. So, anyway, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. Bye-bye.